Hair Rules fam, this is your favorite texture guru, Dickie, and we're here to highlight one of our star products is Hair Rules Curly Whip. I think what's great about it is that it's revolutionary in terms of being able to incorporate your entire hair care and styling routine into your shower routine. It's a clear jelly type of a product. It's not heavy. It adds moisture and shine and light hold. It's not crunchy. It's not stiff. It's great for humidity. Conditioner helps to reveal your natural texture. Your styling product, Curly Whip, helps to set your natural texture. I mean, come on. How hot is that?